What up, YouTube? Happy holidays, y'all. It's just a little update. I got the Stankin' Lincoln running. Oh, look, they're my new seats. Because the ones that came with it is toe up. Both of them look like that. I got both seats and shit. The back is nice. But yeah. So it was my spark plugs. My dumbass put coils in it that they didn't even have the spring attached in there. And then the spark plugs that originally the motor had, motherfucker had auto light in them. Man, I thought that shit was from AutoZone. Shopping at Walmart, come across the same fucking spark plug. Nigga got Walmart spark plug. That's why probably why he junked the engine. But it does need a timing job. I'm gonna do it myself. I got fucking everything, guides. I got tensioners for days. You know, from doing it over and over again with the last engine that fortunately passed away. But yeah, I got it started, man. So it has a bad tick, and that's because I know the tensioner arm, which you guys will see when I do the timing job. So when I had the engine out, I took the oil pan off, obviously. And it was like kind of metal shavings in there, man. I was like worried. But then I found a little surprise, and I thought the ticking was a rod arm or throwing a rod or some shit, the engine. But there's no evidence of that, no crack in the block, all that bullshit. And what I found was those little metal pieces that you put the tensioner arm on. It has one for the tensioner arm, the tensioner guide, and then the guide itself or whatnot. You know, it has two. So that's what the ticking is, and I'm almost sure that it came. So with the pressure, the oil pressure, I know that the tensioner arm, because I saw it, I looked through the valve cover. I know the tensioner arm, tensioner guide is on there still, but probably has a blown out tensioner too. But it's, you know, with the pressure, it's still on there, so it's ticking bad. But check it out, y'all. Oh, shit the fuck up. I don't know if y'all can see right there. Anyway. Yes. Oh, yes, yes. Like the great Jason said. Yes, yes, yes. Misfiring. Damn, Zaddy. Is that alloy wheels? Yeah, them tins gotta keep them clean though. Bitch ass devil. I'm low on transmission fluid too, so I can't get her moving, but bitch resurrected from the dead. She busted an Undertaker. Oh, did that boy take those from a Grand Marquis? Yes, 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 he did. I have the other one back there. Not bad for $200. Brand new alternator. I think that motherfucking 200 amps. I think it is. I'm not sure. Maybe y'all can help me with that. Where my shit go? Ugh. That's what we got though. What y'all think, YouTube? Y'all let me know, man. 200 amp alternator or a regular alternator. Whatever it is, I don't care, because I stole that motherfucker. Don't ask me how I did it.